Hey, this is Brady with Wonderful Digital. Welcome. Quick video on architecture of on-page signals. It's very important for showing up on Google as well as showing up in the maps. So a quick overview video of the way that we have structured a website when it comes to their navigation, various pages, a hierarchy that those live underneath, and the way that Google would crawl these to get the company the most business, the most customers, and the most visibility on Google, with a quick walkthrough with a short explanation. So on-page signals, one of the primary indicators of on-page signals is moving beyond something that is a kind of more flimsy website. So if you think of a website, you say, hey, I've got a website. That's good, great, and dandy. That's your home page. And then maybe you've got another page. So you've got home, about, services, contact. The problem with this is this ends up looking like a flimsy little pamphlet that folds down, and Google looks at that and says, hey, that's a cute little pamphlet. It's actually not that authoritative, not that trustworthy. So instead, what we've done is we've created their homepage, and then of course we have your about, contact, and then we've got additional pages for services, but it's not one page. We have a page for services, which links out to a whole bunch of their subset of services. These guys were more focused on HOA projects. That's where they made more of their money. And so we have an additional section just for HOA services. That points to pages specific to HOA. Again, trying to focus Google's attention into this. In addition, there's locations. Again, locations, this is not just one page. We have all of the different locations that they serve with additional locations that point to that. So your homepage, yeah, it points to your about page just like it would here, and the homepage points to services, homepage points to contact. Good, great, and dandy. On-page signals. Google's looking at this saying, do these pages link back and forth? Are these related? Do you have something that has a structure and a hierarchy that we can follow? They've got these little Google bots. They got little wheels on them, and they run through and they crawl through each of the websites and say, okay, what are on each of these pages? Now, if I find a link, they jump from that link, say, hey, that took me here. Oh, there's another link. That took me here. Hey, there's another link. That took me here. Oh my gosh, this is a really cool website. There's a lot of different pages and a lot of depth to the services this company is providing. That was a quick overview. Let me show you how it kind of looks. Again, this is just the structure. There's a number of other on-page factors that we look at. But this is a website redesign coming from almost nothing. But you can see we've got, like I mentioned, all of the commercial services. So a page for property maintenance and landscaping and snow removal. But underneath there, we've got additional pages specific to snow plowing, snow shoveling, ice mitigation. When somebody's searching for, let's say, Xeriscape or landscape company Xeriscape online, we've got pages directly targeting those search terms or those keywords. Like I mentioned, we've got our HOA services. So each of the things that they do specific to HOAs, as well as pages built out for every single one of those locations. So this is an example of a website that we have looked at the hierarchy, the architecture or structure of the website, and customers that they want to bring on at a price point and a service type that helps bring this company the most revenue. So quick overview, explanation of what this means when we say on-page signals. How well is your website built? How is it structured? Does it make the most sense for Google and for people to find you online? Hopefully that's helpful. We'll talk soon.